Aw, we do not own the right.
I haven't done a video in a while.
Gotten lazy?
I've gotten lazy. So my wife's Colorado is getting some love today. We got some new tires. They're same size as these, but we got new wheels also. They have a lot more offset, so they're probably going to rub. So we got a leveling kit. Just a 1-inch leveling kit, not much to it. It's a spacer and a new bump stop. So we're going to get it off, let the suspension drop down, pull it out, the shock out enough that we can get the spacer in there. You got to use the nuts that they are supplied with. I'll show you why when we get there, but let's get it dropped down. They do a very good job washing your truck, did they?
I just got a basic wash.
There's 3 bolts on top. See, there's a big shoulder in there. That's why you can't use these nuts, because you're putting a spacer in there. It won't grab the thread, so the new nuts it comes with are threaded all the way down.
Nice.
There we go. Okay. Here's the difference between those nuts.
Wait, give me.
See, the threads start immediately on this one.
Oh, yeah.
So you have to use these ones.
Keep going?
Yeah.
To get more leverage here.
Hold on.
So are we supposed to take this for our drive after we're done?
Oh yeah. Anytime you do something with your truck, you gotta take it for a ride.
Oh.
It's like one of the rules.
Oh, yeah. It's much better.
Can you tell?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks a lot better.
Mm-hmm. Do you have your wallet on you?
Nope.
I need fuel.
You go get your wallet.
Can you go grab my purse and maybe we could go get fuel?
Okay.
Because it says I'm low. I'll pull back in the driveway.
It's not exactly level ground, but You can still tell it looks a lot better. Looks like the back end's a lot higher. But it's gonna look hella good with those wheels and tires. Do you want to show them the wheels and tires? I guess we showed the tires, but
The wheels?
yeah, show them the wheels, or you want to just wait?
We could wait.